Hindi umano simpleng freedom of speech ang mga binitawang salita ng magamang sina dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay Professor Michael Chu Jr. ng UP Institute for Criminal Law Program, posibleng makasuhan ng isang tao kung nananawagan ito ng military action laban naman sa gobyerno.
Although hindi ka dapat ma-penalize for your speech, but there are certain speeches like incitement. Under the revised penal code, may ilang speeches na nape-penalize.
Para naman kay Attorney Domingo Cayosa, dating Pangulo ng Integrated Bar of the Philippines, maaaring pumasok sa paglabag sa Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020 ang pagbabanta sa buhay.
The anti-terrorism law kasi very broad.
Okay.
And if you were the prosecutor, you would rather use this, number one, because you have more leeway. It punishes threat to commit terrorism, Section 5. Also punishes conspiracy to commit terrorism.
Dinig po ni Attorney Domingo Cayosa.